Alright, you chilling with DJ Chris and Cool Man. Why is it? Hour.
Yeah. Hello, it's all right. A very beautiful day to you all. You're welcome back to my channel, Chris Nkume Vivo. In today's tutorial number 9, we'll continuing to our settings. So we'll be talking about broadcasts, record, and remote. We have talked about audio interface, controllers, options, license. So today we'll be talking about broadcasts, recording, and also remote. In today's tutorial 9, we're going to be talking about the broadcast. This broadcast you're seeing here is another way of interacting, sharing, like is like live streaming. So in this broadcast now, you can see PC to PC with Wi-Fi. You can negotiate how you want to do it. And here is also radio server. If you want to be, maybe you are a DJ, for example. In this pandemic now, we are all at home now, and you need to work. So maybe the radio can give you their signal. You can connect to their server from home, so you don't need to go to office to start playing. Then you take it over from your home. Then this one is to schedule broadcast. Understand? The main reason of this broadcast is just for you to share your DJing skills to your friends, and also you have your own website. Like my own, if you look very close here under this place, see my own broadcasting name, which to show that I'm a full registered DJ on a Visual DJ platform. So this is my own broadcasting name. Okay, www.visualdj.com/broadcast/Chris Nkume. That's my name. So that's it. That's all about this broadcast. It's just for you to share your recordings you're playing, for people to enjoy from their comfort zone and all the rest. So now we go down over to recordings. Okay, here at the left hand side of it, you see recordings. This symbol here, it also writes record on it. Then you come here at the topest most of part of it is where you can save your recordings after everything, where you write the name of the mixtape you want to do or name of the thing you want to do. Then secondly, the format which you want to use. Then you open this small dialog box here. They will give you different formats. You see MP3, which is an audio format. This one is OGG. It's also audio format, but it depends on the kind of machine that you use to play that. Because if you use this OGG now, it might not play on phone. It might play in some phone, it might not play in all phone, because there are some phone that supports OGG file and there are some phone that support FLAC file. Is more or less audio. Okay, then there's also a file that support some phones and some computers that supports wave. Okay, which is licensed audio format. You can also use that. This one is web, this video format, but the most useful part of this place is MP4 and MP3, because MP4 is your normal video. If you want to do video mixing, video tape, that's why you see some DJ are doing video mixing now. You'll be wondering, what software are they using? My dear, I said I'm here to review some secrets behind DJ, so trust me, believe me, I will not deceive you. This is what they use, this MP4. Then in that settings I told you about, they will now put some logos there, over there, and that mix is being done. And that transmission I showed you when I was explaining the interface. So that's how it rolls. So if you want to write your mixtape, then you click over here. You see, I've already clicked it, and you type the name. Then after which you have done that, the next thing you do, you click on start recording. Once you click on that start recording, then you close this tab here, either close it here, or you can drag it and hide it, maybe for you not to disturb your working sheet. Okay, see how I'm dragging and moving it? You hide it so it will not disturb your working sheet, so you can be able to see your interface and you do your mixing. So after which you have done that, after recording, then you can now close. Okay, that is it. Now let's talk about the remote. This remote here is not much thing that you have to use. Not everybody that normally use this. Like I myself, I don't normally make use of it. What the work is just for you to connect. Either you don't have a computer as you want to network, you can connect this remote to your Android phone. You can use your Android phone to be loading your music, where you can be getting your music from. If you don't have your music on your laptop, you can connect this remote. You can use this remote to connect it on your iPhone or iPad or Android phone, so I can be able to interact with the Visual DJ, so you can get your music and load them directly to the interface. So that is it all about the review and the tutorial about Visual DJ settings. In case you have any complication or there's something you don't really understand, please make sure you feel free. Don't be shy, okay? Like I said, if you ask questions, you will never miss your route. You never miss your road, okay? So let me just do a brief introduction again about the sound effect. Like you see, this one is not the original one that come with this Visual DJ. How you can do that to put your own name, like as you can hear,
DJ Chris Nkoom on the mix.
You see, that's my name. I'm the one that put it here because the original one that come with this Visual DJ, I think I still have it or I've changed it. Okay, you see, those of you that are more conversant with Visual DJ, you know that this sound is always coming to. You see, but the point is, if you want to change it and put your own in, now what you do, for instance, let me show you. You go to where you save your name, if it's at the desktop or the computer or in any place at all, any folder at all. Like for me, I set my own on music, so I have to select where music is on this laptop. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, here is it, music. Then this is my file, DJ Chris Nkume, DJ Chris Jams. That's where all my music is. Then you start scrolling to the folder where you keep it. Okay, you can see I'm going, you can see jingles. Here's all my jingles with my name, everything. Like let's use this one. You see, you drag it, all you have to just to drag it, then you put it in that box. Just listen. You see, I just did that now, so you can also try it on yourself with your own. You can try it by yourself and also see that I'm not lying to you. Okay, all you have to do is to just make sure you follow this video step by step. As long as I'm putting it on YouTube, anytime you feel like, you can go there and watch. In case you're having any issues, any mistakes at all, just go back there and watch it anytime, any day you feel like. Okay, so that's all about the review of the Visual DJ. So the next tutorial I'll be doing now, the next tutorial that will be coming your way now, is on how to create beats. Okay, let me show you on how to create beats. Is the next tutorial I'll be showing you. As an artist or as a DJ, you should know how to create beats as well. So this is the software I use in creating beats in my studio. So just all you have to do for you to subscribe this channel, make sure you subscribe and put on your notification bell, so that whenever I start coming up with this tutorial of creating beats, you can be able to join me. Let me just show you one kick. You see, so this is just for a start. Then you get more on how to create beats. All you have to do, subscribe, share, and also let your friends know. Please don't hide this knowledge. Share this knowledge to every one of your friends. Okay, I'll promise to give you my best to let you know one or two things about me, all the things I have in my brain. God has given me the talent to share with all of you, so I don't see the reason why I should hide it from anybody. So all you have to do me that favor, subscribe, share. In case you have not subscribed yet and you're coming across my channel for the very first time, just subscribe it and share. So I still remember my humble self, Chris Nkume, your one and only DJ that is here to give you the best all you need about becoming DJ. Okay, So love you, stay tuned, and always check out on my channel to see whenever I drop new videos. Okay, now bye, see you in my next video. Over and out.